In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Google Maps offline. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your account on top right corner and then click on it. This will open up your account and look for an option called Offline Maps. Now, once you're on Offline Maps, tap on it, and this will lead you to this page where you can now select and set your own offline map. Click on Select Your Own Map, and here you have to select an area where you want to be downloaded. So move your map and make sure the frame lies within the map that you want to download. So you can also resize this by zooming in or out on your smartphone to capture a wider area, or when you zoom in, it will reduce the area. So once you have identified the area, go ahead and click on download, and your map will be downloaded automatically to your smartphone. Now, as you can see down here, we can see the download progress and our map is being downloaded. Now, one thing you may want to do is to rename your map. As you can see, it is labeled as map 1. For easy remembrance, make sure you label your map so that you know the particular area the map covers. So you may want to do so by clicking on these three dots and then click on rename, and then name it by the area or the specific name that you want to give it. So maybe this is your home map. You may want to name it as home map, and that is enough. Go ahead and tap on save, and as you can see, your map has been saved and it was also downloaded successfully. To open your map, just click on it, and whenever you are offline, it will automatically give you the directions that you want. It is also good to remember that your map will always be updated whenever you are connected to Wi-Fi. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.